Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Canva design you want to narrate and selecting the exact page or slide. Click the record button and choose voiceover or record yourself so the audio attaches to that page. Allow microphone access when prompted, then pick the input device and speak a short test phrase to check levels. Once done, adjust the input gain or move closer to the mic. Make sure background apps aren't using the microphone to avoid clipping or low volume. Press the red record control and speak naturally, recording in short takes so mistakes are easy to fix. After each take, play it back and decide whether to keep or re-record. This saves time when editing. Once you have solid takes, use Canva's timeline to trim start and end, apply quick fade-ins and outs, and move clips to align with visuals. Make sure pauses match scene changes, and normalize clip volumes so speech stays consistent across slides and avoids sudden jumps. When satisfied, download the design as MP4 or MP3 and ensure the Include Audio option is checked so your voice is embedded. If audio sounds distorted or missing, first recheck microphone permissions and the input device in both your system and Canva. Then try a different browser or simple USB mic. If noise is the problem, move to a quieter room or use a pop filter and re-record short sections. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear your browser cache and reload Canva. Many recording glitches resolve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.